Hello. Today I am going to show you how to remove a credit or debit card from Google Play Store. Before we start, we need to verify that we don't have any active subscriptions within our Google Play account. If we do have an active subscription, Google will not allow us to remove the current card, so we will have to add a second payment method first. To do this, we will enter the Google Play Store, go to our profile icon, and enter Payments and Subscriptions. If we don't have any active subscriptions, we can proceed to remove the credit or debit card by closing the Google Play Store app and opening our web browser. We will go to google.com and sign in with our current email and password. Next, we will navigate to Manage Your Google Account and select Payments and Subscriptions. Here we can manage the payment methods linked to our account, and we can remove the current card by clicking on Remove and confirming the action. After removing the card, we won't have it linked to our Google Play Store or Google Pay account. Please remember that if we have an active subscription, we won't be able to remove the card until we add another payment method or cancel the subscription. And that's all we need to do to remove a credit or debit card from our Google Play account. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from BALMA Tech, and I'll see you in the next video.